Hello. Welcome. Welcome to the Confident English Podcast, a cozy space where learning English feels easy and confident.
Hello, everyone.
It's so nice to have you here today. We are happy you are with us. Really, we are.
Yes, very happy.
So, before we start, if you like this podcast, you can subscribe. It's free, and it really helps us a lot.
Yes, just one small click. That's all.
Okay, now let's say hello to each other first. Alex, how are you feeling today?
I feel a little nervous, actually.
Oh, nervous? Why?
Because today's topic is about the doctor, and I don't really like going to the doctor.
Oh, Alex, a lot of people feel the same way.
Really?
Yes, really. Many people feel nervous at the doctor. It's very normal.
Good. That makes me feel better.
Okay, so today we talk about the doctor, going to the doctor. What do you say? What do you hear?
Yes, simple words, simple sentences for real life.
Exactly. Because going to the doctor, it happens to everyone. Everyone gets sick sometimes.
Yes, everyone. It's part of life.
So, let's imagine you feel sick. You go to the doctor. What do you do first?
First, I walk in. I go to the front desk.
Yes, the front desk. That's where you speak first, not with the doctor, with the receptionist.
Right, the receptionist. That's the person at the desk.
Yes. And what do you say to the receptionist?
You can say, "Hello, I have an appointment."
Very good. I have an appointment. An appointment, that means a time you planned to come. You called before, you chose a time. That's an appointment.
Yes, for example, I have an appointment at 10 o'clock.
Perfect. Very simple, very clear. I have an appointment at 10 o'clock.
Or maybe you don't have an appointment. Maybe you feel very sick. You didn't call before.
Yes, that happens too. Then you can say, I don't have an appointment, but I feel sick. Can I see the doctor today?
That's a good sentence. Short, clear. The receptionist understands.
Yes, and they will help you. They will say, please sit down. The doctor will see you soon.
Please sit down. That means take a seat. Wait a little.
Yes, exactly. So you sit, you wait, and then the doctor calls your name.
And you go into the doctor's room.
Yes, and the doctor says, hello, how are you feeling today?
Ah, that's a very important question. How are you feeling today?
Yes, and you need to answer. You need to explain. You say what is wrong.
So what do you say?
You can say, I feel sick. Very simple. I feel sick.
Or I have a headache.
Yes, a headache. That's pain in your head. I have a headache.
Or I have a stomach ache.
Yes, pain in your stomach. I have a stomach ache. Or my stomach hurts.
My stomach hurts. That's also very good.
Yes, both are correct. I have a stomach ache. My stomach hurts.
What about a sore throat?
Oh, yes, a sore throat. That's pain in your throat, here, when you swallow. I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat. I say this a lot in winter.
Yes, me too. Winter is not easy for throats.
No, not easy.
So, we have a few important sentences now. Let's go slowly. I feel sick. I have a headache. I have a stomach ache. My stomach hurts. I have a sore throat.
Simple sentences, very useful.
Yes, and the doctor listens. The doctor asks more questions.
Like what?
The doctor might say, when did it start? That means, when did the pain begin? When did you start to feel sick?
Oh, and you say, yesterday, or 2 days ago.
Yes, very simple. It started yesterday. It started 2 days ago.
Short, easy. The doctor understands.
Yes. And the doctor might also ask, is the pain strong or light?
Strong or light? Like, is it very bad or a little bad?
Exactly. You can say, the pain is strong, or the pain is light. It's not so bad.
Good. Or maybe you say, it's a little bad. That's also okay.
Yes, any simple sentence. Don't worry about perfect words. Just say what you feel.
Yes, the doctor wants to help you, not check your English.
Exactly. The doctor wants to help, not judge your English. So speak. Say what you feel. Use simple words.
And if you don't know a word, you can point. You can touch the part that hurts.
Yes, that's a great idea. Point to your head or your stomach. The doctor understands.
Bodies speak too.
Yes, they do. Okay, let's continue. After the doctor asks questions, the doctor might check your body.
Yes, like they look in your mouth. They listen to your heart.
Yes, they might say, open your mouth, please, or take a deep breath.
Take a deep breath. That means breathe in, breathe slowly, like this.
Yes, the doctor listens to your lungs, your chest. It doesn't hurt, don't worry.
It's not scary, really. The doctor's gentle.
Yes, and then the doctor gives you advice or medicine. The doctor might say, I think you have a cold, or I think you have an infection.
A cold. Everyone knows a cold. Runny nose, cough, tired.
Yes, a cold is very common. The doctor might say, rest at home, drink a lot of water, sleep well.
Simple advice. Very important advice.
Yes, and then the doctor might give you medicine, a prescription.
A prescription. That's a paper. The doctor writes on it. You take it to the pharmacy.
Yes, the pharmacy. That's where you buy medicine. You give the paper, they give you the medicine.
And sometimes you don't need medicine. Just rest. Just water.
Yes, that's also good. Your body is strong. Sometimes it just needs time.
Right. Time and rest. That's the best medicine sometimes.
That's a nice thing to say, Alex. I agree.
Thank you.
Okay, so now let's think about leaving the doctor at the end of the visit. What do you say?
You say, thank you, doctor.
Yes, simple. Thank you, doctor. Always polite.
And the doctor might say, take care, or feel better soon.
That's a kind thing to say. It means I hope you get well quickly.
Yes, warm and kind.
You might also need to make another appointment. You say, can I make another appointment? Or do I need to come back?
And the receptionist helps you. They find a new time, a new date.
Yes, and you say, thank you. Goodbye.
And you leave. Simple. Easy.
Easy, yes. When you know the words, it is easy, not scary.
Exactly. Words give you confidence.
Yes, confidence. That's the goal of this podcast, to help you feel confident.
Not perfect, confident.
Yes, not perfect, just confident. There is a big difference.
Very big. You don't need perfect English at the doctor. You need clear English.
Yes, clear, simple, honest. I feel sick, my head hurts, I have a cough. That's enough. The doctor understands.
Always. Always understands.
Okay, let's do a little review now, very slowly, together.
Okay, I'm ready.
At the front desk, you say, hello, I have an appointment.
Or I don't have an appointment. Can I see the doctor today?
The doctor asks, how are you feeling? You say,
I feel sick. I have a headache. I have a sore throat.
the doctor might say, open your mouth, take a deep breath. When did it start?
You answer, yesterday, 2 days ago, this morning.
The doctor gives you advice. Maybe medicine? You say,
Thank you, doctor. Goodbye.
perfect. That's everything. That's all you need. Simple sentences, real life.
I feel less nervous now. Smiles.
Good. Going to the doctor is okay. You know the words now. You can do it.
Yes, you can do it.
And remember, if you make a mistake, that's okay. Really, mistakes are normal. Mistakes are part of learning.
The doctor will not laugh at you. No one will laugh. Everyone just wants to help.
Yes, people are kind, especially doctors. Their job is to help you.
So don't be afraid. Go. Speak. Use your English.
Yes, use your English. Every time you use it, you get a little better.
A little better every day. That's enough.
That's more than enough. We are proud of you. Really.
Yes, we really are.
Okay, we are almost at the end now. Thank you so much for listening today.
Yes, thank you. It means a lot to us.
If you liked this episode, please leave a comment. Tell us, what topic do you want next?
We read every comment, every single one.
Yes, and if this helped you, please like the video. It really helps us reach more people.
More English learners, just like you.
And if you are new here, please subscribe. New episodes come every week. Always slow, always simple, always warm.
Like today. Smiles.
Exactly like today. Take care of yourself, rest well, and we will see you next time.
See you next time. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, and feel better soon.
Yes, feel better soon.